Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Soul Therapy Wellness Spa. So, what I wanted to do for my clients, and I'm doing this like an old YouTuber on my computer. The reason is I usually use my phone to do the actual videos, but I wanted to show my clients how to use the Mindbody app that I have for my business to book your appointments. A lot of my clients are hesitant because they don't quite understand what it actually means. And it's really, really simple. So basically, you're going to go into the App Store, and I already have a fake account started on my phone, so I'm just going to go through. So your App Store here, and you're going to search Mindbody. And it's going to be that little orange square with the white circle. So you're going to open that. So I'm going to open it because it's already downloaded on my phone. So you're going to get it looking like this. And I already have my business in here, but what you do is you search for the top, and you can go under beauty instead of fitness. So I would basically do face treatments, nails, hair removal, any of those. And you go into search. So the easiest when you're a local person here is type in Spiritwood, because it will pick me up almost right away. I'm in Saskatchewan. If you do my location, sometimes that's not accurate enough for it. Okay, and then I will come up right there, okay, and then you click on there, and then you will see my house, and you can do view schedule, view pricing. So we're going to go into view schedule. Now, when you first sign into this, it's going to ask you to sign in with your email address or your Facebook account, and you can do either one. But with the email address, you do have to go in and confirm it first in your email. So use an email that you regularly use and hopefully on your phone already, so it's easier for you to confirm your address. So once you're in, you can go into the schedule. So the schedule here, and there's a whole list of, sorry. So there's a whole list of there we go. Okay. So the list of services that we have here. So you can go through each one. Basically, if you're needing to book more than one appointment, so the downside of this app is that you're actually, if you're booking one appointment, great. But if you're booking multiple appointments, sometimes it's better to call us or use the member and popular combos. And there I have different choices like half leg bikini underarm, I have bikini and pedicure, pedicure and eyebrow shaping, and ultrafacial and reflexology. Those are my popular combinations that I probably do the most of. And then there is the packages at the bottom, and you can get the Gold Splurge, the Total Relax package, the Heaven package. So there's different packages, but those will actually give you the exact time when you go in. So let's say we're going to do the Asian package, or let's do the Heaven package because that's only 3 hours. So we're going to go into my name, and staff, and then all of a sudden, all of the dates will show up. So let's say I want to come in on after Christmas. So the 30th, I have 12 p.m. so we can book that. And I'll say book and pay later so you can complete the booking. And I'll say enjoy your visit, and you can add it to your calendar in your phone so that it'll remind you. Okay, so I keep forgetting to look at the camera instead of myself on this thing. So anyway, that's that. And then where you have, let's go back home page. So let's go back here. And when you get to the bottom, you'll see these little icons here. Okay, there's the home, there's explore. Okay, there's profile. So you hit profile. Now we see the appointment. And we can cancel this at any time. So it's very convenient. Or if you need to cancel, and then you can book another time that works for you. So we're going to cancel. And it says, would you like to cancel this appointment? And I'll say cancel booking. And then it says, Mindbody would like to access your calendar. Oh, I don't need to do that now. So anyways, we've canceled and it's done. If we want to go back, we book. We can go into beauty, or we can go home, go into the business. And for scheduling, gosh, if you want to learn the pricing, to well, I really acted like I knew what I was doing, and now I don't. Let's go into it again. So when we get back to this page here, view pricing, that will give all of the prices. So I have classes or appointments. I do have makeup classes and reflexology classes, but those are random. I have those not booked all the time. The appointments, however, will show up, and you can see the prices for everything, and they will all be there. Now, they might not show up for the members, so if you're a member of Soul Therapy Wellness Spa, then it might not show the price because you can only book it if you're a member, and then you get to see that price. And there are special prices for our members. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you got something out of that and will understand a little bit better how to use the Mindbody app and see how convenient it is to use it to book your appointments. And if not, you can call. I have my office manager, Olga, and you can call us at 306-883-2946, and she'll be here happy to help you book your appointment. All right, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and please, of course, subscribe and like me and give me a comment if you need to down below. And we'll see you hopefully next week. We're in the Christmas rush right now, so I'm not sure if I'll get a video done, but I will try. All right, take care. Bye. Ciao.